Hey there! Are you tired of sitting at your desk all day? Feeling stiff and restless? Well, I've got something that might just change your life: the FlexiSpot EN2 whole-piece standing desk with clamp power strip. This standing desk is not just your average desk. It's a game-changer for anyone who spends hours on end working or studying. Whether you're a busy professional, a dedicated student, or just someone who values their health and wellness, this desk is for you. Let me tell you about some of the amazing benefits and features of the FlexiSpot EN2. First of all, it's electric, so you can easily adjust the height with just the touch of a button. No more struggling to manually crank your desk up and down. This one does all the work for you. And with a spacious 55 by 28 surface and a beautiful mahogany top, you'll have plenty of room to spread out and get your work done comfortably. But that's not all. This desk also comes with a convenient clamp power strip, so you can easily plug in all your devices without having cords dangling everywhere. Plus, it has built-in cable management to keep everything neat and tidy. Say goodbye to messy, cluttered workspaces. Now, let's talk about how you can use this desk. Whether you prefer to sit, stand, or alternate between the two, the FlexiSpot EN2 has got you covered. You can easily adjust the height to find the perfect position for you, helping to reduce back pain, improve circulation, and boost productivity. Trust me, once you start using a standing desk, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. But maybe you're wondering how the FlexiSpot EN2 stacks up against other standing desks on the market. Well, let me tell you, this desk is top-notch. It's sturdy, reliable, and built to last. Plus, it's a whole-piece desk, so there's no assembly required. Just take it out of the box, plug it in, and you're good to go. Easy peasy. Now, here's a pro tip for you: try using your standing desk for at least a few hours a day to start reaping the benefits. You'll notice increased energy levels, better focus, and improved posture in no time. And don't forget to switch up your position throughout the day to keep things interesting and prevent stiffness. Your body will thank you. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to your old, boring desk and hello to the FlexiSpot EN2 whole-piece standing desk with clamp power strip. Your body and mind will thank you. Click the link to order yours today. Thank you for watching, and happy standing.